Did you know weak grip strength predicts mortality better than blood pressure? It's a surprising statistic, isn't it? But it highlights something crucial about our overall health and well-being. It's a wake-up call about the importance of foundational strength. We often overlook the basics in pursuit of more complex fitness goals. The ability to support your own body weight is a primal marker of health. Think about it. It's a fundamental capability that speaks volumes about your physical condition. Forget biceps curls. Real power starts in your hands, wrists, and forearms. These are the unsung heroes of strength training, often neglected but essential for so many movements. The dead hang is the ultimate test and builder of this strength. It's a simple exercise with profound benefits. Just grab a bar and hang. Find a sturdy bar, grip it firmly, and let your body weight do the work. Simple, but transformative. Don't underestimate the power of this basic movement. No fancy equipment, no need for expensive machines or complicated setups. No complicated routines, just you and gravity. It's a pure test of your body's ability to withstand its own weight. This static hold reveals weaknesses in grip, shoulder mobility, and spinal health. You'll quickly identify areas that need attention. It's a reset for bodies hunched over desks and screens, counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting and poor posture. You can't cheat a dead hang. There's no faking it. You either hold on or you don't. It's pure, honest strength, a testament to your body's raw capabilities. Most people can't hold on for long at first, and that's the point. It's about identifying your starting point and tracking your progress. The struggle sparks adaptation, forcing your body to become stronger and more resilient, improving posture, grip, and upper body function. It's a holistic approach to improving your physical well-being. Over 30 days, we'll break down how your body changes week by week. We'll guide you through the process and highlight the key milestones. You'll see your grip transform, becoming stronger and more reliable. Your shoulders unlock, gaining greater range of motion and flexibility. And your spine decompress, releasing tension and promoting better alignment. This isn't about muscle size, it's about re-engineering your body from the inside out, focusing on functional strength and overall health. Let's dive into the science, exploring the physiological benefits of the dead hang and the journey of embracing the dead hang. Are you ready to unlock your body's potential? The 30-day dead hang challenge is simple, yet incredibly effective. It's designed to build grip strength, improve shoulder stability, and enhance overall upper body endurance. This challenge is accessible to almost everyone, regardless of their current fitness level. All you need is a pull-up bar or a sturdy overhead structure that can support your weight. The core of the challenge is to accumulate up to 3 minutes of hang time daily. This doesn't mean you need to hang continuously for 3 minutes straight. Instead, the goal is to reach a total of 3 minutes of hanging throughout the day, allowing for rest periods in between each attempt. This total hang time is broken into manageable sets. This approach makes the challenge less daunting and more achievable, especially for beginners. You can distribute your sets throughout the day, fitting them into your schedule as needed. It's crucial to remember. Don't try to hang for 3 minutes straight on day one. That's a recipe for frustration and potential injury. This challenge is about gradual progression and building strength over time. Instead, start with what you can handle. Be honest with yourself about your current abilities and limitations. There's no shame in starting small. In fact, it's the smartest way to approach this challenge. That means even if it's just 15 seconds per set, that's perfectly fine. Those 15-second hangs will add up, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you progress. The key is to be consistent and patient. Consistency and gradual progress are key. Aim to do your dead hangs every day, even if you only have a few minutes to spare. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your grip strength and endurance. Before you begin the challenge, establish your baseline. This will give you a clear understanding of where you're starting from and allow you to track your progress effectively. To establish your baseline, test your max hang time with an overhand grip. This is the grip you'll primarily use throughout the challenge. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart and your grip is firm. When you hang, keep your arms extended and your body relaxed. Avoid tensing up or shrugging your shoulders. Let your body hang naturally, feeling the stretch in your shoulders and back. Record your time. Use a stopwatch or timer to accurately measure how long you can hang. Write down your time in a notebook or fitness app so you can track your progress over the next 30 days. This recorded time is your starting point. It's the benchmark against which you'll measure your improvements. Don't be discouraged if your initial hang time is short. Everyone starts somewhere. As you hang, notice how your shoulders feel. Pay attention to any sensations, whether they're comfortable or uncomfortable. Any tightness or pinching matters as much as the numbers. These sensations can indicate potential imbalances or areas of weakness that need to be addressed. Remember, form is crucial. Maintaining proper form will not only help you avoid injuries, but also ensure that you're effectively targeting the muscles you're trying to strengthen. Always hang with straight arms. Avoid bending your elbows, as this can put unnecessary strain on your joints. Engage in slight shoulder activation. This means you shouldn't just passively hang from your shoulders. Maintain a braced core. Engaging your core muscles will help stabilize your body and prevent excessive swinging. Pack your shoulders. This involves actively engaging your shoulder muscles to create a stable and supportive base. You can pack your shoulders by pulling your shoulder blades down and back just a bit. This helps to stabilize the shoulder joint and prevent injury. This protects your joints and shifts the load to stronger muscles, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Keep your legs relaxed and avoid swinging. Swinging can create momentum that makes the exercise easier, but it also increases the risk of injury. Always focus on quality, not just duration. It's better to do shorter hangs with good form than longer hangs with poor form. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort you may be experiencing. Remember that soreness in forearms or lats is normal at first. These muscles are working hard to support your weight. However, sharp pain in wrists, elbows, or shoulders, that's a warning sign that something is not right. If you experience sharp pain, reduce volume or rest completely. Don't push through pain, as this can lead to more serious injuries. The goal is to stimulate muscle growth and strength gains, not destroy your body. This challenge should be a positive and sustainable experience. Feel free to adjust hang time if needed. If you're finding the challenge too difficult, reduce the amount of time you're hanging each day. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and eating a healthy diet to support your body's recovery process. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. With all that in mind, let's get started with your first hang. Remember to focus on form, listen to your body, and enjoy the process. Week 1 is a shock to your hands and forearms. Most people's grip gives out first. Your forearm flexors are working overtime. Expect burning muscles and tender skin as your body adapts. Your brain scrambles to recruit the right muscles, leading to quick fatigue. Hang times may even drop by day 3 or 4. Don't panic, it's normal. Microtrauma and soreness are part of the adaptation process. By week's end, you'll notice less burning and maybe a few extra seconds on your hang. This isn't muscle growth yet. It's your nervous system getting more efficient. Your skin starts toughening up, forming protective calluses. Prioritize recovery. Stretch your wrists, massage your forearms, and watch for sharp pain. The goal of week 1? Survive the shock and teach your body this new demand is here to stay. The foundation is being set. In week 2, your grip adapts and attention shifts to your shoulders and spine. Hanging overhead stretches tight lats and pecs, opening up your upper body. You'll feel a deep stretch along your sides and armpits, muscles and fascia lengthening. This improves shoulder mobility and can relieve upper back tightness. Studies show loaded stretching like this boosts shoulder range of motion. Meanwhile, your spine decompresses as gravity gently pulls your vertebrae apart. This rehydrates discs, relieves back stiffness, and can even make you feel taller. Subtle pops or clicks are normal, just gas releasing from joints. By week's end, you'll notice better posture and less compression after long days sitting. The dead hang is a daily antidote to modern life's compressive forces. Your body is learning to move and stand more freely. By week 3, your body is adapting fast. You'll likely notice that the initial discomfort you felt in your hands and forearms is starting to subside. This is a sign that your body is becoming more efficient at handling the demands of the dead hang. Hang times are up, and grip endurance is building. You might find yourself holding on for significantly longer periods than you could in week 1. This increased endurance is a testament to the neurological and muscular adaptations taking place. Your forearms develop better blood flow, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles. This improved circulation not only enhances performance, but also aids in recovery, and tendons grow stronger. The connective tissues in your hands, wrists, and forearms are reinforcing themselves, making them more resilient to the stresses of hanging. This is vital for long-term progress and injury prevention. Now, you can focus on quality. It's no longer just about how long you can hang, but how well you can control your body during the hang. Engage your back and core to stabilize your body. Think about gently pulling your shoulder blades down and back and tightening your abdominal muscles as if you were bracing for a punch. Your core works isometrically to prevent swinging, maintaining a rigid and controlled position. This isometric engagement is key to translating the benefits of the dead hang to other exercises and activities, building real-world stability. The ability to stabilize your body in a hanging position translates to improved balance, coordination, and control in everyday movements. Try grip variations, neutral or supinated, to further challenge your muscles and nervous system, to challenge new muscles. Each grip variation will emphasize different muscle groups in your forearms, biceps, and back, leading to more well-rounded strength development. Add slow scapular retractions for dynamic strength. This involves gently pulling your shoulder blades down and back without bending your elbows, activating the muscles that support your shoulder joint. But beware of overuse. Even though your body is adapting, it's still vulnerable to injury if you push too hard, too soon. This is when people push too hard and risk injury. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to take rest days when needed. Keep up wrist stretches and forearm massages. These simple recovery techniques can help prevent tightness and soreness, keeping you on track with your training. Persistent elbow pain? Back off and reassess your form and volume. It's better to take a step back and address any potential issues than to push through the pain and risk a more serious injury. This week is about building resilience, not just numbers. Focus on consistent, controlled hangs with good form rather than trying to max out your hang time every session. The dead hang is now a full-body exercise, engaging muscles from your fingertips to your toes, connecting grip, shoulders, and core. This integrated muscle activation is what makes the dead hang such a valuable exercise for overall strength and stability. You're not just hanging, you're actively engaging your muscles to maintain a stable and controlled position. You're building a foundation for all upper body movement. A strong and stable dead hang will improve your performance in exercises like pull-ups, rows, and even overhead presses. Stay vigilant and let your body guide your progress. Pay attention to any signs of pain or discomfort and adjust your training accordingly. Endurance and control are your new goals. Focus on increasing your hang time while maintaining perfect form and stability. In the final week, your progress is undeniable. Max hang times may double or triple since day one. The dead hang now feels manageable. A daily ritual, not a struggle. Grip strength improvements show up in other lifts and daily life. Your posture is taller, shoulders more open, and back less tense. You've lengthened tight muscles and strengthened stabilizers. Now try advanced variations, single arm hangs or thicker bars for a new challenge. As day 30 approaches, retest your max hang and compare. The numbers matter, but the real win is how your body feels. Stronger, more resilient, and pain-free. This isn't the end. It's the start of a lifelong habit. The dead hang is now part of your physical hygiene. Keep building on this foundation. The science behind the dead hang is powerful. Hanging creates spinal traction, increasing disc height and reducing pressure. This allows nutrients to rehydrate your discs, keeping your spine healthy. For shoulders, hanging creates space in the joint, relieving impingement and stretching tight muscles. It also boosts proprioception, your body's sense of position and movement. Mechanoreceptors in muscles and joints fire, recalibrating your brain's map of your upper body. This leads to better motor control and safer, stronger movements. The dead hang isn't just about strength. It upgrades your nervous system. You're teaching your body to move with more precision and awareness. It's a total reset for your upper body's software and hardware. Everyone's results will vary based on starting point, body type, and lifestyle. Beginners may see dramatic gains, experienced athletes might notice subtler improvements. Heavier individuals face more load, which can mean faster gains but higher injury risk. Age matters. Older adults need to progress more gradually but can benefit even more from decompression and mobility. Recovery, sleep, nutrition, and daily habits all influence your results. The dead hang's benefits depend on your unique context. Adapt the challenge to your needs and listen to your body. The 30-day challenge is just the beginning. Make the dead hang a regular habit. 3 to 5 times a week is enough for maintenance. Use it as a warm-up, a finisher, or paired with other exercises for balance. Adjust frequency and volume based on how you feel each week. The dead hang becomes a tool for mobility, strength, and recovery. Most importantly, you'll develop a new awareness of your body, knowing the difference between fatigue and pain. It's a practice in mindfulness and resilience. By investing in this simple movement, you're building a stronger, more capable body for life. Keep hanging and keep moving forward.